What I offer is for you to experience that self you want to become. We all have our blocks, we all have our challenges, and in life, there's this energetic component that we need to experience and be that's operating from our heart, not our heads. You know how we follow time, the clock, and being an identity for others. These are essentially constructs that is required of us from society. When you get to speaking from your heart and you experience that, like I'm doing now, there's no script, there's simply a stream of consciousness. And when you speak from that place and practice by being given topics, intentions, exercises, you become more in tune with who you are. In my workshop, I offer a program where you experience that over and over and over and over again. I facilitate, I don't pontificate. You know you be you, and as a group, we see each other for our best intentions, and we all strive to see you in that light.